Hello and welcome. My name is Suzanne Cherrick. I'm from Sacramento, California, and I'm so excited and definitely privileged to be able to share this information with you here today. My quick story is very, very simple. Guys, back in October of 2013, I was flat out broke, and I was really looking for an opportunity to change my life. And I found LiveSmart 360, and man, the system was so simple, the vision was incredible, and all I did in my first 30 days was share the opportunity and share our product. I was actually able to earn over $15,000 my very first 30 days in the company, and guys, my life has really been transformed. So I'm excited to share with you exactly what LiveSmart 360 is. So you might say, well, what is it that you're talking about? Well, 360 chocolate is actually healthy chocolate. We like to call it a guilt-free indulgence. And how we do it, you might be wondering, is we actually find gourmet dark chocolate. We have a variety of different flavors, and we infuse it with nutrition. And as you're looking at the screen right now, you see 6 different flavors of our chocolates. All of them sugar-free. They taste phenomenal as well, and they're very, very low in calorie. And our goal is to actually address 360 degrees of health solutions. And right now what we have is things for energy, antioxidants, also electrolytes, weight loss, we have immune boosts as well, and then heart health and overall body performance. Imagine this, over the next 3 years, we'll have 40 to 50 different functional chocolates, and imagine every single one of them shaped, flavored differently with a different health inclusion. Imagine getting your supplementation through chocolate, okay? What makes our product unique is something we call ZorbMax. It's a revolutionary health breakthrough, exclusive and trademarked, and it's infused inside of every single one of our 360 chocolates. And what it does, it actually helps increase and enhance nutrient absorption. Now, who's behind the concept are 2 phenomenal doctors that have a pristine reputation. First off, we have Dr. Derek De Silva. He's the chairman of the Medical Advisory Board. Frequently, you'll see him on CNN, also on ABC. He's also the former president of the American Nutraceutical Association. We also have Dr. William Li, who just joined the team. This gentleman has a phenomenal reputation as well. Frequently featured on the Dr. Oz show, over 26 times he's been called upon to actually feature on that show. Also the Martha Stewart show, and also TED. So when you look at the 2 doctors who are behind this concept, you know right away that it's phenomenal. Okay, so guys, one other thing that we love about this opportunity, in addition to you getting healthy by eating chocolate, how would you like to save some money? Well, let's just address one of the issues, energy. Energy is a huge issue that every single day people around the world are trying to solve. And guess what? They're spending a lot of money doing it. They're purchasing 5-hour energies, Red Bulls, even making runs at Starbucks. Get this, they're paying anywhere from $2 to $5 per serving. Now, I know some of you go there more than once a day. So imagine being able to supplement those habits with chocolate. Okay, our energy chocolate is 20 calories, 0 sugar, okay, and it's infused with natural green tea extract. It will give you the energy boost of any of the options you see on the screen, but it's only a fraction of the cost. For only $1.33 per serving, you add that up, that's anywhere from $90 to $300 in savings every month, and guys, all we've addressed is your energy issue. Let's talk about your meals, okay? How many of you guys know that you don't get all the vitamins, the nutrients, the supplements that you need every single day? There's no way you can. Our Manna 360 Shake, though, provides an opportunity for you to get everything that your body needs. With 77 vital ingredients and over 40 fruits and vegetables in every single serving, you are sure to actually become healthier with our shake. And on top of that, it's only $3 a meal. You can't find a meal that will give you that nutrition for that cost anywhere. Now, how would you like to actually take everything that I've said and get it for free? Costs you nothing. We have a special program called 3 for Free. How it works is very simple. find out which chocolate, which health solution you're interested in most. Place your order, and then we're actually going to help you host what we call a chocolate happy hour. This is where you invite just a few of your friends and family members over to try our products, and we're going to help you get 3 referrals. Once you get 3 referrals, your next order is free. Now what's exciting is that it's not just free one time, but it's continuously free over and over and over again as you have those referrals. Now on top of that, we actually pay a commission for every single one of those purchases that is made. And really the question is very simple. Would you rather the person that referred you to get the commission, or would you like to participate in earning income on behalf of your referrals? Guys, our company called LiveSmart 360 is very simple to become a part of. For as low as $50, you can join one of the fastest growing companies in the home-based business industry. Our company was founded in 2010. We actually are a ground floor opportunity. We have offices all over the world. We continuously are expanding, but we have some phenomenal leadership. As you see, Mr. Chuck Hallberg, he is our CEO and also owner of our company. He is a billionaire. You see the magazine Inc. 500 right next to him. He was actually featured in Inc. 500 as the #1 fastest growing company. Took his company, Member Health, from his basement all the way to $1 billion in a very, very short 3-year period. Actually increased sales over 21,000%. Okay, and that's who's leading this company all the way to $1 billion as well. On top of that, Mr. Stephen Thompson, our Executive Vice President. He has over 20 years experience in the industry, and get this, in the last 10 years alone, he's earned over $12 million in the field. That's who's leading the charge, and so phenomenal leadership that we have here in 360. Now you might be wondering, well, how big is this chocolate business that we're talking about? See, I have a background in the financial industry, and when I looked at the economics of chocolate, it made a lot of sense, okay? 90% of the world absolutely loves chocolate. I'm sure you're agreeing with me and shaking your head as well, okay? Over 1 billion people eat chocolate every single day. On top of that, it's a $100 billion a year industry. Also, chocolate is scheduled to increase in sales by over 73% in the next 5 years alone. You can see the Wall Street Journal has said that chocolate is a recession-proof industry, and even Entrepreneur Magazine lists chocolate as one of the most attractive businesses that you could be a part of. It just makes sense. Now what I love, in addition to the chocolate that's healthy for you, that you won't have to worry about gaining weight and you can earn some income, is the career path that we've put together. As you see, we have 4 different streams of income that we get to tap into, but what I really want to show you is how the system works. How can you take our system of giving away free samples of chocolate, gaining referrals, and introducing people to this opportunity? How does it actually equate into money for you and your family? Well, it's very simple. First off, we want to help you get your product for free. What you're going to do is you're going to select one of our packages, a builder pack or a leader pack. I'll cover those in just a moment, okay? And what we're going to do is help you get 3 customers. After you introduce 3 customers, you actually get your product for free, and you can earn up to 100% in retail commissions as well. Now step 2 is just as simple. Guys, how many of you know some people that would love to earn some additional income? Especially in the time that we're living in, everyone is looking for an additional stream of income. So what we're going to do is actually help you qualify for our 360 Star Global Pool. What that is a 5% global pool that's paid out every single week to those individuals who have qualified as a 360 Star. Now, how do you qualify as a 360 Star? Very, very simple. What we're going to do is help you introduce 3 people that join as a distributor in your business in your first 30 days. When you accomplish that, you can earn up to $350 plus retail commissions just from introducing 3 customers and 3 distributors. Very, very simple. Step 3 is even more simple. It's now teaching people how to become a 360 Star. We like to call it 3 by 3 by free. 3 by 3 by 3 free. What we're going to do is we're going to help 3 levels of your organization, get 3 distributors, and also get their product for free. When you accomplish that, you become a silver executive in this opportunity. Now imagine this. Imagine being able to earn a full-time income from home on a part-time effort. The average silver is only contributing about 5 to 10 hours a week to their business, but yet they're achieving the results of most Americans working 40 hours a week. Pretty phenomenal. In addition to that, you're earning extra incentives and benefits as well. Things such as our lifestyle bonus, $400 a month towards your lifestyle increasing. Imagine being able to hire a personal trainer that you've always wanted to do. Maybe get a nanny, maybe a housekeeper. You get to choose. On top of that, we have a blessing bonus, $200 a month for you to give to anyone, a charity, an organization, a church that you feel a desire to give to. As long as you give it every single month, the company will continue to give it back to you every single month as well. Now imagine helping 3 people. 3 people that you know earn an extra $24,000 a year. Every one of us can find at least 3. When you do that, you now earn over $50,000 a year from home. You're labeled what we call a gold executive, and your benefits increase as well. On top of your lifestyle bonus, on top of your blessing bonus, you now get a car bonus, luxury car bonus, $500 a month towards any car, make, model that you select. You also get $500 towards health care. Imagine finally a direct sales company addressing the issue of health care. Absolutely phenomenal. Let's take that duplication process out one more time. You help 6 people achieve the rank of silver, you become a platinum executive in the company, earning a 6-figure a year income from the comfort of your own home. You've now qualified for every benefit that we have in our opportunity. In addition to the lifestyle bonus, in addition to your blessing bonus, your car bonus, and your healthcare bonus increasing, you also get to tap into our retirement plan. But what I love most about this retirement plan is that it's not a 401k. It's actually a defined benefit plan where the company will contribute into your account whether or not you do. And as you increase in rank and also in tenure, the deposits will increase as well. Now, involved inside of our opportunity, we have long-term residual income. This is very, very important because every single one of us needs income coming over repeatedly month after month. That's the only way you'll be able to retire. Imagine getting paid every single time people order chocolate all throughout your organization. All throughout your organization, every time people order chocolate, you keep getting paid. In addition to that, we have team building income, 2 different types that you're able to earn. First off, on the dual team. Every person that comes in your organization will be placed on either the left team or on the right team. And every week, the company will take a snapshot of all the volume of sales that your organization has done, and it will pay you up to 20%, maxing out at $100,000 per week. I'm sure every single one of you can handle that kind of income. On top of that, we have something called an Infinity Fast Start. This specific way that we get paid is incredible in this opportunity. Imagine earning up to $230 on every single person that joins your organization. Guys, the money is definitely plentiful here in 360. But this is one of the most important things. We have a very, very unique system called the waiting room. Every single month, everyone that joins is getting placed in a virtual holding tank. They're getting their products, they're able to sign up customers, they're able to get distributors, and they're getting paid, but no one has taken a position inside of the tree. At the end of the month, every single person will be unloaded into the dual team, but they will actually be unloaded based on priority. Now, what you want to do is become top priority. How you do that is actually by selecting one of our top packages. What will happen is, again, every single leader pack will be emptied into the dual team, and then after that, the builder packs, the basic packs, and then the member kits. So again, the most important thing in this business is positioning. So what you want to do is get positioned as high as you can as quick as you can. That's how you take advantage of our waiting room. Now, how you get positioned is very simple. If all you want to do is just be a customer, you can simply buy one of our member kits. This gives you the ability to purchase at a wholesale price. You can get those referrals and get your product for free, and you can also earn some retail commission. But if you say, I want to be one of those people that start earning the income, what you want to do is select one of our packages. Our basic pack for $199 gives you $200 worth of product and tools. It also allows you to tap into our point-click share system that helps you actually navigate and build your business on social media. It's pretty phenomenal. You can earn 10% in our dual team, and guys, you get actually third priority placement. Our builder pack is $499. This gives you $500 worth of product and tools. It also allows you to tap into that point-click share technology, but as you see, 15% now in dual team commissions and second priority placement. But again, for those of you that want to be at the top, the leader pack. For $12.99, you get $1,300 worth of product and tools, but in addition to that point-click share system, you actually get our tax savings system that allows you to take advantage of all of the tax savings that a home-based business provides. Plus, you earn 20% in the dual team and an additional 20% matching bonus on all of the residual income that actually comes into your team's account. And so guys, what's important here is that you know that this is first priority placement. You want to get positioned here as soon as possible. What's very important for each of you to understand is that the actual aspect of timing and positioning. See, 90% of your success depends on this curve right behind me. And this is what I found out just back in October of 2013. Every single person that actually positions themselves at the very, very beginning of this opportunity, you stand the biggest chance to earn as our company accelerates into momentum. Because the top earners join at the very, very beginning. Again, the top earners join at the very, very beginning. And as we accelerate into momentum, those are the ones that earn the most income. Now, there is one other package that I want to mention as we close out. As you decide where you want to be placed, the first option is to be a customer. You want to get back with the person who directed you to this video, and you want to place an order right away. If you say that you're a number 2 and you actually want to get your product for free, wonderful. We want to schedule a chocolate happy hour, get your friends and family over as soon as possible so they can try all of our delicious products and we can help you get your 3 referrals. But if you say that you want to actually get paid, you want to earn the kind of income that every single person is hearing about that this company is producing, you want to position yourself right away. We also have a package that I want to make mention to. It's called Instant Executive. In addition to our basic pack, our builder pack, and our leader package, we have an Instant Executive pack that is not available or meant for everybody. It's really meant for the savvy business investor, maybe the experienced network marketer. It's one-time $3,600, but it maximizes the compensation plan at the highest level. If you want more details about that, get back with the person who directed you to this video and they can share those details with you. But guys, this opportunity is huge. I took advantage of it in October 2013, and I have to tell you, it changed my life, and I know that it could actually change yours as well. I look forward to meeting you soon.